Saving Money 101, tips for new savers. Saving money can be challenging, especially if you're just starting out. Here are some detailed and unique tips to help you build a solid foundation for your savings journey. 1. Set clear financial goals. Short-term goals define what you want to achieve in the next year, such as building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation. Long-term goals plan for future milestones like buying a house, retirement, or your children's education. Tip: use the SMART criteria, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound, to set your goals. 2. Create a budget and track expenses. Budgeting tools. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, or a simple spreadsheet to create a budget. Categorize spending. Divide your expenses into categories, e.g. rent, groceries, entertainment, to see where your money goes. Tip: review your budget monthly and adjust as needed to stay on track. 3. Automate your savings. Automatic transfers. Set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account every payday. Employer programs. Utilize employer-sponsored savings programs like direct deposit into a savings account or retirement plan. Tip: treat your savings like a bill that must be paid rather than an optional expense. 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Pay subscription, audit, review, and cancel subscriptions or memberships you no longer use. Smart shopping. Use cashback apps, discount codes, and shop during sales to save on purchases. Tip: try the 30-day rule for big purchases. Wait 30 days before buying to ensure it's a necessary expense. Build an emergency fund. Initial goal: aim to save at least $1,000 for unexpected expenses. A long-term goal: gradually build your fund to cover 3-6 months of living expenses. Tip: keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account for better interest rates. 6. Reduce debt. A debt snowball method. Pay off debts from smallest to largest balance to build momentum. Debt avalanche method. Pay off debts with the highest interest rates first to save on interest costs. Tip: consolidate high-interest debt into lower-interest options if possible. 7. Increase your income. Side hustles. Consider freelance work, part-time jobs, or gig economy opportunities. Skills development. Invest in education or training to advance in your current job or switch to a higher-paying career. Tip: use extra income exclusively for savings or paying off debt. 8. Invest wisely. Start early. The sooner you start investing, the more you benefit from compound interest. Diversify. Spread investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, to mitigate risk. Tip: consider low-cost index funds or ETFs for a diversified and relatively low-risk investment. 9. Practice mindful spending. Needs versus wants. Differentiate between essential needs and discretionary wants. Mindful purchases. Take time to reflect before making purchases to avoid impulsive spending. Tip: create a waiting period for non-essential purchases to ensure they align with your financial goals. 10. Educate yourself continuously. Financial literacy. Read books, attend workshops, and follow credible financial blogs or podcasts. Stay updated. Keep abreast of changes in the economy and how they might affect your financial plans. Tip: join a local or online community of savers to share tips and stay motivated. Conclusion: starting your savings journey requires discipline, planning, and continuous learning. By setting clear goals, creating a budget, and making mindful financial decisions, you can build a robust financial foundation and achieve your long-term financial aspirations. Remember, the key is consistency and being proactive about managing your money.